In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a UX design portfolio website in Notion. We'll start from a blank page and end with a clean published site you can share with recruiters and clients. First, open Notion and create a new page. Switch it to full width so your content has room to breathe, especially images and galleries. Add a professional cover photo and an icon that match your design style. Keep visuals consistent and minimal so they enhance your work rather than distract from it. Next, shape your homepage. Begin with an intro or about me section. Clearly introduce yourself with your role, like UX designer, and a brief description of your expertise. 1 or 2 tight sentences are enough focus on what you do best, the problems you love solving, and the industries you know. Below that, add your project gallery. Use the /gallery view database so your work appears as clickable cards. Create a few properties like role, tools, and year to make filtering and scanning easier. Set each card's preview to a compelling cover image so the gallery looks polished at a glance. Keep titles short and descriptive, such as a product name plus the core outcome. At the bottom of the page, add a simple contact or footer area. Drop in links to professional platforms like LinkedIn or Dribbble, and include a professional contact email so people can reach you. You can separate this section with a divider for clarity and keep the formatting consistent with your overall style. For each project in your gallery, create a dedicated case study page. Structure it with clear sections, start with research and insights. Show your wireframes, then your high-fidelity designs, and finish with results. Tell a concise story for each phase: what the problem was, what you explored, the decisions you made, and the impact. Use headings to break up content and keep it scannable. Screens should be large enough to study, and captions should explain why decisions were made, not just what they are. To bring your work to life, embed Figma prototypes directly using /embed. Paste your prototype link and size it so it's easy to interact with. Add callout boxes for key insights, constraints, or metrics, and use consistent headings to guide the reader through your process. When everything is ready, click Share at the top right and choose Publish to Web. Review your pages in the public view. Test every link and make sure the gallery leads cleanly to each case study. Share the link confidently and keep iterating as your portfolio grows. Thanks for watching.